Hey guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to be making delicious Semia Burfi. It is super yummy and a Rakhi festival special. So let's get started. So first you're going to add 1 teaspoon of ghee into a pan. And then you're going to add 1 cup of semia. Now we're just going to roast these until they turn into a nice golden brown color. So make sure it's all roasted, because the better the food, the better the sweet. So make sure to roast it very well, and as you can see, it's changing a color. So now you're going to let it cool completely, like freezing cool. Well, not freezing, but now you're going to grind it into fine powder, the finest of fine. So that's the powder, and that's what we're going to use to make our sweet. So this is kind of the main ingredient. Now you're going to grease the pan. This is going to be our mold. This is what we're going to put our sweet in to cool down, but you can use any shape. Now in the pan, we're going to add 3/4 cup of sugar, and we're going to add some water. And you're just going to let it turn into sugar water until it boils to 1 string consistency. And the reason it looks brown is because it's not some special sugar, it's just organic. But you can use any sugar you want. So after a while, it should be getting really bubbly, like this. You should be able to spread it. And as you can see, it should be turning into 1 string consistency. And that's just what we need. So now you're going to add the powder you made, and you're going to put it all in there. Then you're going to add 1/4 cup of dry coconut powder. Yum! I love coconut. Then you're going to add 1/4 cup of milk powder. Make sure to mix it all up once again and give it a good hard mix. Now, there is going to be a little sticking to the bottom of the pan. Make sure to scrape that and mix it all together. Now it's going to start to get a little bit crumbly. So you're going to, little by little, add 2 teaspoons of ghee. It's going to all equal to 1/4 cup. So make sure to mix it all together. And I know it doesn't look like it's helping because it's getting more crumbly, but it is in a different kind of way. But we're going to be adding some milk to this. So yay! So keep adding it until 1/4 cup is over. Now you're going to add 1/2 cup of milk. And this is what's going to turn it into, well, this. It's going to start to be like kinda a caramel color, but you should cook it until it starts kind of unsticking from the pan. Like, just keep mixing it for a while. And as you can see, it's not sticking to the pan anymore. This is what you need. You need to keep mixing it until it doesn't stick to the pan anymore. And warning, do not stop mixing. Once you're done, you're supposed to put it into the greased pan and spread it out. And you're done. You're gonna let it cool down nicely. You're gonna cut it and you're gonna serve it. Yum yum. This is super yummy and super good and the perfect Rakhi festival treat. So cut it into little squares, serve, and make sure to get the smile on their faces. Happy Rakhi festival! Bye!